Good day, guys. Welcome to Julius Academy, and we are still on the topic permutation and combination, subtopic factorial. So now, in our few videos that we've done in the past, we discussed no restrictions, that is normal arrangement, and conditional arrangement. But in our previous class, we talked about the positive arrangement, in which we've done about. And I told you that you take note of the word must or should or can, then you know that they're talking about what? Positive arrangement. But the moment you come across the word such as must not or should not, then you know that it's a negative arrangement. And I also want you guys to know that when you are solving a question of factorial, no restrictions is equals to positive arrangement plus negative arrangement. But now we are dealing with what? Negative arrangements or negative conditions. It means that no restriction minus what? Positive condition. Are you with me? So now this is our question for today. In how many ways can the letter of the word Abakaliki be arranged if there is no restrictions? If B must not begin, vowel must not be together, and consonants must not be together. It means that you need to get your positive arrangement first. You need to get your what? No restrictions and positive arrangement first. Now, let's start with no restrictions. Solution. So no restrictions here is that this is our A, no restrictions. Sorry, I'm so fast about that. Abakaliki. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 factorial over what? The amount of repetition. A occurred how many times? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 factorial. B occurred once. K 2 times. 2 factorial. And I occurred 2 times too. 2 factorial. So you already know how to solve your factorial. You don't need to waste much time on this. The aim of the video is just for you to understand. Therefore, 9 factorial. Therefore, 9 factorial over what? 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So this will give us what? 15,120 ways. That is when there is no restrictions. So this is our requirement 1 fulfilled. Now we're told that B must not begin. In order to get B must not begin, if B must not begin, then we need to have what? Our positive, because this is our formula. No restriction minus positive. So let's get our positive what? B, and that's what B must begin. We need to get B must begin. B must begin. So if B must begin, then we have something like this. A K A L I K I, which means that what? B is not part of the arrangement. Let me come again. For you to get B must not begin, you have to get your no restrictions, which we have gotten here. Then you will get what? A scenario whereby B must begin. Now, if B must begin, then we are left with what? 8. Because B is automatically out of the equation. So we are left with what? 8 factorial. If you have not watched our previous video of positive arrangement, you need to go back to it and watch it, otherwise you will not understand what I'm doing here. Now, we have how many repetition? 3 repetition, 2 repetition, and 2 repetition. So this will give us what? 1,680. So therefore, if B must not begin, then it will be what? Equals to, what's our no restrictions? 15,120 minus our positive restrictions or positive arrangement, which is what? 1,680. Therefore, if B must not begin, then there are how many ways? That is 13,400 440 ways if what B must not begin. Hope you are getting the pattern. Now we are done with B. If vowel must not be together, it means we have to get vowel must be together. Therefore, if vowels must be together, this is C criteria. If vowel must be together, then from those that Abakaliki, we have A, and I. Triple A and 2I. You bracket it. Then you are left with what? BK, LK. BK, LK. Based on what we have done in our positive arrangement, this serves as 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's equals to what? 5 factorial over just 2 factorial times, because there is 2 repetition, times this arrangement of what? The bracket. That's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is written as 5 factorial over what? 3 factorial and 2 factorial. So we can calculate this and it will give us our answer here. So vowel must be together. If vowel must be together, then you calculate this, which is 5 factorial over what? 2 factorial times 5 factorial, 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So this will give us what? 600. Therefore, if vowel must not be together, it will be what? Vowel not together, or must not be together, will be equals to what? Our no restrictions, which is what? 15,120 minus our positive restrictions, which is what? 600. So 15,120 minus 600 will give us what? 14,520. So if vowel must not be together, if you are to arrange it, if vowel must not be together, it will give us what? 14,520. If you still don't understand how we got to this, then this our final, which means consonants must not be together. You'll be able to get the steps or the tricks in which you are using to get what? Negative arrangements. Now, if consonants must not be together, consonants not together, we need to get consonants together. So if consonants are together, then we have what? BL, BK, LK. They must be together. Then we have our what? I. Now, for us to get this is serve as what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial over what? 3 factorial and 2 factorial, which is the whole of this as 1. Then we multiply it with this, which is how many? Just 4 factorial over what? 2 repetition, 2 factorial. Then we sum it up. By doing this, we have 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Then you multiply it by what? 4 factorial over. So now we have 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 2 factorial will give us 60. Then 4 divided by 2 factorial will give us what? 12. Therefore, if you multiply both, then we are left with what? 720 ways. Now we are not done here. Remember, the goal is what? Consonants must not be together. And in order to get that, in order to get consonants not being together, you will what? Get your no restrictions, which is what? 15,120 ways minus 720. 15,120 minus 720. That will give us what? 14,400 what? Ways. So this will give us 14,400 ways. So if you do not understand it at this point, I advise that you reverse the video, you backward it to the beginning or to the middle, to the point which you don't understand, and watch and listen attentively to what I said the other time. Now, this is where we are going to be stopping for what? Negative conditions or negative arrangements. So I hope you guys have been able to understand this. And if you have any question after backwarding it several times and you still don't get it, ask your question in the comment section and I will gladly reply to it. So that is all for what? Negative arrangement or condition. Thank you very much for watching our video up to this point. Kindly like, kindly like and subscribe and share our video with your friends. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Thank you.